Hey everyone, welcome back to Daily Extensions. In this video, I will show you how to print any web page easily using the print friendly Chrome extension. So let's get started. Firstly, open your Google Chrome, then visit Chrome web store on your computer. Now go to the search bar. Here you will search for print friendly. Here you will see the first one extension. Click on it. Then click on add to Chrome. Then click on add extension. After installing the web page you want to print, open the web page you want to print. Like I want to print, we will print Chrome Web Store. Now click the toolbar, mark it as pin, click on print friendly. Here you will select print friendly page, full page and current view. So I am selecting print friendly page. The page will open in a clean view. You can log in your ID. Like I am opening Wikipedia. Click on here. You will see it will opening a new page. From there you can remove or highlight anything you want, like this. Now click on the print button. It will choose your printer and click as print. Like I am printing like save as PDF, or you can choose your printer, then click on print. And that's it. This is how you can print any web page using the print friendly. You can remove anything or highlight anything you want, and that's it. This is how you can print web page using the print friendly Chrome extension. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.